Spotlight. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jagat, and I welcome you all on the behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society. As this is the series where we share with you some of the innovative ideas compiled in a case study every day. So this is the time. Let me revise you the time. It's 11 to 12. We share the innovative ideas in Hindi with you, and this is the time 2 to 3 p.m. We share ideas in English with you. So I hope you are implementing those ideas which we share with you every day. Or once schools are open, you are going to implement all the ideas. So we have almost 600 innovative ideas which we are going to share with you. And some of the innovative ideas we have already shared with you. So you can find all the ideas on Facebook also. You can visit our Facebook page. This is ZIIEI Shri Aurobindo Society page. You can go there and you can see all the ideas there also. So let's talk about our today's idea or the case study. So before that, I want to talk to you about something. So there was a boy in one school. So the teacher saw that the boy is always in pressure. So teacher show that when the boy comes in the school, after coming to school, always he is in tension. He's not happy when he comes to school. He does not feel to study, and when he comes late sometimes, or when he comes on the time, when he sits in the class, after that his concentration is not there. So these problems teachers were facing. So there were teachers who were facing these problems, and after that, teacher thought, what we can do something for them, that all these students will be like they will be able to concentrate and they will be able to feel relaxed in the class. So this is one of the biggest problem in all these schools, that our students, when they come to school, they are in panic, they are not relaxed, they are depressed, and peer pressure is there. So teachers saw all these problems, and after that, there was a challenge to find a solution of all these problems. So there are several teachers who have found the solution of that, and I'm going to share with you the name of the teacher and the place as well. So our today's case study is yoga, meditation, self-development. So as we know that yoga is very famous these days, and people are implementing that in their house whenever they are in that, and all over the world yoga is being appreciated. So teacher thought, why I can't implement yoga in my school and do something innovation, that my students will do yoga also, and they will be able to live or study stress free in their school. So how yoga makes you feel better? So yoga is the thing which makes you relax, your body relax, your mind relax, less pressure is there, and you are able to develop the skill to pressure or handle the pressure or handle the situation. So these were the things which teacher thought, and teacher thought like, I'm going to do something in my school with the these yoga implementing yoga innovative ideas. So today, so let's talk about our first innovative idea. The name is story or poem yoga for yoga. So before that, we must understand what is yoga. So there are so many people who say that once you sit in one position, after that you cannot think till then. That is not yoga. If you do not get any thought in your mind, or we say yeah, no, that is not yoga. Yoga means that you are able to concentrate on one thing only. Or if you get any thoughts in your mind, you are able to control those thoughts, and you are able to handle the situation at that time. That is called yoga. Let me take an example for you. So there, when we see cricketers, so what is yoga for them? When a cricketer is there in the stadium, when he has bat in his hand, after that he does not hear, or he is not able to hear the sound of public. He hears the sound of the ball when it touches to the floor and when it comes to the bat, because his concentration power is amazing. He has done yoga on that. That is yoga. When students come to the class, after that we see that there are many students, they do not focus in the study. When any teacher is telling them any lesson, any story or poem, after that they are not able to concentrate there. So it means that is they do not have the skill to control their emotions. Sometimes their thoughts, what thought come in the mind, their presence is there, but their mind is not there at that time. So let's talk about this story or the poem for yoga. Is the first thing is the yoga is linked with rhythm. So as we know that when people go for yoga, there are so many schools also for yoga. When they sit one in position or in the posture, after that they play music there. They start playing music in that background music, we can say that. And after playing that, they start focusing on one thing, or on this point of their head, they start focusing. That they call yoga. That is also one part of the yoga. But yoga is not limited. There are so many things in yoga. There are so many different aspects of yoga. So we are talking about today the yoga, where that we can study at the same time, and that will be called in yoga also. So the first thing is what we do in this. Teachers saw when students come in the morning, when they are in the prayer or in the classroom, in the assembly, they are standing. After that, if students are in the classroom, so sometime or in the assembly, there is a background music when they play. So teacher thought, what I can do and change it into a different thing. So what teacher did, teacher started playing a poem or any story in the background. When all the students were standing or they were assembled together, all the students or they were in the class, teacher started playing a background music in the back, like teacher started playing the background music. After that, what our teacher asked all the students to sing that, or we can say that our teacher asked them to sing that very in a slow sound, or focus what are the words when they are singing. So let me share you the name of the teacher also. So the name is Mamta Khanna, and she is from Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. So she is the teacher. She did that, and after that, now time comes for which class this idea is suitable. So the idea is suitable for the class like primary or the upper primary classes. So we can do this idea in these classes only. And what about this? After that, the duty of the teacher is not only to prepare the background music only. Teacher prepares the content also. Just think, teacher wants to share any story with them, any poem with them or something. Before that, teacher needs to prepare a content, that what are the things on which day and what are the criteria, like categories which we are going to share with our students. So this is what teacher needs to prepare. And after that, this idea can be done in open space and very well. So teacher asked all the students to come in a playground. After that, what teacher did, teacher asked all the students to sit or make a distance where all the students can sit with the social distancing. And teacher started playing the tables. Like we can play a table also in the background music, tables like 2 3 or 4 tables, or like songs are also there, poems are also there, where because music is the best yoga or the healing. Music is called healing yoga for everyone. When people like there are so many people, or you must be the one of them, when you want to focus on something, sometimes you play music also to focus. So this is how this idea works. And teacher starts playing tables, songs and poems in that. And this idea can be done every day in the school. It is not necessary that we will do this idea only on one day only, or like once in a week. We can do it on daily basis also. The students will come, they will sit in an open space or in the class, as per the scenario or the situation. The students are going to sit, and after that teacher is going to play a background music. And after that, all the students are going to repeat that, focus on that, and they will start learning as well, and they will come to in the yoga also. So they will be able to concentrate. Now time comes, you must get any question in your mind, that what about those students sir, who come late in the class, just they come in the hurry and they start sitting. For that also there is a teacher who has invented an idea. I'm going to share with you that idea even. So let's move to our next innovative idea, that is yogametry. Yes, yogametry. You must be thinking geometry. We have heard. What is yogametry? So this is innovative idea, and the name of the teacher is Pramod Singh, and the teacher is from Uttarakhand. So he is the teacher who has invented this. So in geometric, what happens? There are angles in geometric, and the students do not take interest in that. So what is the story behind it? Let's understand that first. So there was one teacher named Pramod Singh sir. He was there. He saw in his class that students come to the class every day. But when there is a lesson geometry, they do not focus there. They do not try to learn the lesson, or they do not try to understand it even. So teacher thought, what I can do with that, like as for students that is very boring chapter. they do not feel to learn it, or they do not feel to come even in the class. So teacher did this. After that, this was, let me share with you the innovative idea. And after listening to this, you will also say, yes, this is a very simple idea, and this is the idea we can do in our class, and all the students will be able to learn everything. Let's go ahead. The first thing is, we talk to students about the math phobia, and we discuss with teachers also. So what happens, we, when I say we, it means teachers I'm talking about. So teachers about math phobia, as we know, the students, if we have 100 students in our class for an example, so out of 100, 70 students are there who have math phobia. They feel like math is so hard subject and it's not easy to cover. So for that, we have to do something for students that they can understand it easily. And if you are doing something in your school or in the class that your students are able to understand any subject or any lesson very easily, so today you can share with us your innovative idea. Once I give you the chance to speak, then you can share. We are live on the Facebook, the people who are joined connected to us. So this was the name of the idea which teacher, what students learn in this. So students learn about lines, angles, etc., square boxes, about everything, about the shapes in the real life experience. So what happens if I have a notebook and I make one line there, or any triangle or angle there, after that what will happen, students will see, okay, for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or even for one day, they will be able to remember it. But what about later on? When the time goes, they will forget because they did not do any practical in that. And this yoga metry is the idea where students are going to do practical life. They are going to learn how they can, by body shape only, even they can do all this idea. Okay, so let's talk about it. So the first, what teacher did, teacher asked all the students to come in the open space. So we go in the open space, and what is the reason behind it? So students can move their hands easily. As you can see, when I take my hand here, so my hand is going out of the box or the pose of the video. So that happens in the class also. When there are students, one student sitting here, and the next student will be next to me. So if I move my hands like this, so that can touch that, and that can hurt even sometime. So a teacher take care of that. Even teacher prepares this content already, or the idea strategy how they are going to implement in the school. So teacher brings all the student in the open space, and ask them to stand on the proper space, that every student must have this much distance so they do not touch each other or when they move their body, because we are talking about yoga, and yoga needs some space when we do that. Yes. So after that, teacher teaches before that some yoga postures also. So our students must learn some yoga postures also. If we ask them to do any yoga, and if the posture is wrong, so they can hurt themselves sometime. So this is for everything, for doing anything. First, we must try to learn or share with our students that they are able to understand it. If I want to sit, I will sit like this and like this, or like this. As per the posture, I'll ask my students to sit, or show them as an example. First, I will learn it, then I'll show my students that this is how you are going to do this idea or the posture like this in the space once you get the chance. And after then the posture is done, all the students are comfortable. If we have some students like who have body problem, or they have disease, or any problem like that, so we will not force those students to do these postures. Sometimes what happens, there are some students in our class who are not physically like that much good that they can do all the yogas. So we have to take care of them also, that we do not force them, or we give them the same respect as we are giving to other students at the same time when everybody is doing yoga. Because this innovative idea is like this, everybody enjoys this idea. So we take care of this even. Okay, now let's talk about this. So once we go to the class, there is a teacher will introduce the topic of the day, that we are going to learn this lesson today, and we are not going to learn, or we are not going to understand it in class only. We will go out of the class, and after going out of the class, we are going to have the experience of doing that. Like, let me give you one example for that. Just think, if I want to tell that my students what is 90-degree angle, you tell by your own. So they will need copy and a notebook, pen, or blackboard, something like that. Teacher will say, no, you are going to tell that by your body shape only. So student can do like this. Yes, student can do like this, like so many angles. The student can tell, like 45 is this, and this is 180. Like this, teacher can, student can tell everything. Before that, teacher will show them. So this is how teacher students will learn what are the angles easily. And after that, teacher draw angles also on the board. So what happens before going to the open space? Teachers show them all the angles on the board, that this is how this angle is made, and this is how the shape looks like, and this is the like process to make this angle like that, or angle boxes or triangle, anything which we are going to teach our students. First, we show them this. This is how it looks like. Now you have to remember it, and after that, once we go to the open space, we are going to do this activity in the ground or in the park. After that, what happens? Teacher asks all the students to make those postures by their own. So what the students do? They use their own creativity to do that. If I ask my student that you have to make 360, 190, 180, 75, or 90-degree angle, so they will use their creativity how they are going to make the posture by their own. Once they learn it, sometimes they discuss with the teacher, sometimes they discuss with the peer. So this is how they work in the team. Some students learn by observing only. Like observing skills is also very important. So what happens when one student is doing something, or he is making the right angle, so other students see that student and start making as he is doing that. So this is how they learn the observing skills also at the same time. So now this is the idea, but there are things which we need to take precautions. So as this is the open ground innovative idea, in that case, it can also happen any student can hurt anyone, or the student can hurt himself or herself by his or her own. So we need to take some precautions, that we do not give them any posture which is very hard to make it. Or any student is there, as I shared, that he's like physically disabled or challenged, so we will not ask him also to do that activity. We will ask only those students who are good, who are like their body is good, they are able to make it easily. So we will ask only those students who are in the class and they are good, their body is good, they are able to make it easily. So this is how. And now time comes that, sir, when we can do that, and how teacher did in the school. So teacher used to do this activity on daily basis. It's not all about geometric only. There are other lessons also, other chapters also. Our poems are also there, which we can do in open space or by yoga only. Okay, so this was the innovative idea, and let's go to the next innovative idea. The name is meditation for latecomers. Yes, so this is one of the biggest problem in the school. So let me share the name also. The teacher. The teacher name is Preeti Kumar Shah. She is from Hyderabad, Telangana. So this is the teacher. She is the teacher. The teacher faced problem in her school that students used to come very late in the school, sometimes 1 hour late. And when they used to come in so much panic, students are coming to school. They are in panic, sitting in the like their breath is so fast. They're taking breath fast, and they are not able to sit properly. And this happens. So teachers saw that when the students are coming this late and I'm teaching in my class, will be able to learn that? Sorry, will they be able to learn the lesson properly? No, because they're coming to the class, they're taking breath so fast, they're not able to concentrate on the lesson. Their body is there, but their mind is somewhere else. Their mind is not working as it should work. So teacher thought what I should do with them. So teacher used the yoga, as all the ideas are related to yoga. So teacher took the help of yoga. So the teacher gave the name also meditation for latecomers. Like other students will also do yoga, but how it is going to help latecomers, we will understand in this innovative idea. So first understand what are the benefits of this innovative idea. Now I'm telling you the benefits. While listening to the idea, you will understand, yes, there are more benefits than it is written. You can see benefits from your own point of view. There are no only these benefits are not there. There are so many benefits like that. So the first idea is it gives relaxation to mind of the student. So what happens? The students who are coming to the late to the school, after that, what happens when they do meditation? How they do it? I'm going to share after some time. Before that, I'm sharing with you the benefits of that. So the students who are in my class and they do not feel relaxed when they come late. So how meditation is going to help them? It is going to relax their mind. And then after that, there are many health benefits also. The students who are coming to the late, who are coming late in the school, they take breathe properly in this activity. They relax their mind. They sit properly. They give relax to their body, their mind all together. So these benefits are also there. And after that, what teacher did? Teacher prepared one room for the latecomers and one teacher as well at that time, or an student there who teacher prepared for the latecomers. And after that, teacher asked them for a deep breath. What was the procedure? Let's understand it. So first what happens? The students who are latecomers, teacher asks them to come in the school class. On the school entry in the school is like teacher allow them to come in the school. After that, once teacher students are in the school, after that they are late, so they run, they try to walk fast to like reach as soon as possible in the class or in the school. After the teacher asks them to go, if there are less students they can sit in the same class, they sit in the same class. If there are more students, so then teacher asks them to sit in a separate room. Teacher asks them to sit there and ask them to relax. That don't need to you don't need to panic. Sit, relax your mind. And how to do that? And after that, teacher asks them to take breathe for a long time, like breathe like this. This is how when they take breathe for a long time, they give more time to the brain to think or understand the situation. Like this, what happens? They do this activity 2 to 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, they feel relaxed. They don't panic. And after the teacher tell them that these are that you should not come late to the school. Or students are able to understand by their own that what are the disadvantages when they come late to the school, when they are in panic, and we try to make them understand that you are coming late to the school and you will face problems, so they do not understand because they're in panic. Their mind is not working at that time, their mind is somewhere else. They are panicked, they're taking breath so fast. They want to reach to the class anyhow. They will just listen to teacher, they say yes ma'am, yes ma'am, yes sir, and then they want to reach to the class. This is their main motive at that time. Yes. So yes, so teacher found this innovative idea, meditation for latecomers. After some time, teachers saw the benefits, and the benefits were like this: students who were coming like time on time in the school, and after that they were feeling relaxed when they were in the school. Once the 5 minutes are over, they come to the class, they are relaxed, they sit like they are on the time, and they are able to understand everything, each and every point which teacher want to make them understand. So this was the benefit, this was the idea, and all these were the benefits, and this is how you can implement in your school. This is very simple and so beneficial idea. And so I hope and I believe that you are going to implement this idea in your school. Let's move to our next innovative idea, that is letter to God. Yes. So we are not going to send this letter in the we are not going to send the letter direct to the God. The meaning is different and the name is different. The meaning is so powerful of this innovative idea. So let me share it with you the name also of the teacher. And the name is Atin Das and Delhi Public School, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. So she is the teacher, or I'm sorry if he is the teacher, I don't know about it. But this is the teacher who invented this innovative idea, letter to the God. So what happens? Let's understand the idea behind this idea, innovative idea. So there are so many students in our school who basically they have a lot of questions in their mind when they come to the school, when they are sitting in the class, they are facing problems, they have situations at their home, and there are so many different situations. Everybody has so many different situations in their life, different kind of problems. They have so many questions which they want answers, but they keep their question in their mind only. They do not bring that out. Why? Because they don't have anybody to understand. They share with God, oh God, please solve my problem. But sometimes, as we know, we have to solve our problem by our own. So they need to do something for them. So teacher invented the letter to the God. So students are going to feel motivated. more energetic, enthusiastic in the class. So teacher did something like this. So this is how teacher clear all the questions of the students, that they do not have any confusion when they come to the class. They sit freely, they understand, they know the school is my best friend. The teacher is my best friend. This box is my best friend, which I'm going to share with you. What is that box? Okay. And now time comes that for which class this idea is best for. So the point is this idea is best for every class. We can do that first to 12th class, we can do this idea, or if in college, we can do in college as well. Because problems are everywhere. Every student is thinking, they have questions in mind and they want to get answer of their all the questions. It can be personal, professional, related to the school, it can be anything. Okay. So now let's talk about what teacher did. Teacher collected some cardboard, carton box, we can also say that, or cardboard. Teacher used it. How teacher used it? We'll talk about it. And after that, and teacher told importance of the board to everyone. So these were the planning of that importance. What is the importance? We'll talk about that as well. So the importance of the box is that the box is going to solve all the problems of those students who are sending letter to the God, but the letter is going to the teacher, because teacher is going to solve the problem of that student. So there are two phases of this innovative idea. So the phase one is going to impact all these students, and the phase two is going to impact all the teachers. If you are a teacher, you will understand how phase two is very important for you. If uh, if you share the phase one with your students, they will understand that what is the benefit to share problems with the teacher. Let's talk about our phase one. So the phase one is student write issue or problems on the paper. So what happens? So teacher prepares one card box or the carton box like this, and teacher color it. After coloring it, teacher asks all the students to read their letter to the God. And once that is written, teacher tells them that the important that this is the box which is your private box. As you have a private chat with the God, this is the private chat with your teacher or the God. And after that, a teacher asks them, if you are facing any problem in your house, in your school, when you go to school, when you come to school, on the road, when your tuitions, and like related to the life, your mother, father, any problem which is in your life, which is teasing you all the time when you are sleeping, when you're coming to school, when you're studying, which is annoying you all the time, you can write each and everything in this box, the letter to God in the box. Teacher asked all the students to write in that. After that, teacher told them everything. Teacher motivated them completely. If you are facing any problem, believe me, this is the box which is going to solve your all the problems, all the aspects of the life, but which you face all the time. And after that, teacher made one prime focus. So a teacher should have also the prime focus, that the students problem in the priority. The box should be opened on time. It can be 2 days, it can be weekly, and that box should be kept in all the classes, different box. Each class should have different box for each teacher. Only that teacher will open the box and find the letters in that. Okay. So the next is, and the box can be common in the all the classes or different color, different, and the class will be written on that box, yes, basically, but the color can be same or the theme can be same. That totally depends on the school and the teacher or on the students. This was the phase one, where students share their problems with the teacher, and teacher ask them to write anything, whatever problem they are facing in their life. Now let's talk about the phase two, which is very important for us. And then the phase two is teach reply of the teacher of that letter. So what will happen? For an example, this is the letter which I have got. In that letter, there is a girl. She has written problems. She has written problems that there is a boy who teases. Eve teasing is she is facing Eve teasing, or when she goes house, their parents fight all the time. Her brother fights all the time, or she is facing any body problem or any disease she has, which she cannot share with everyone, or any problem like that. So what is the responsibility of teacher? At that time, if there is a problem of Eve teasing, first teacher will talk to the principal. If the problem is solved on that level, and then that is a very good thing. If not, even then the student is facing the problem, we can go to the police station also to take the help. And we can teach our students also that how they can take help of a police station. As we know, there are so many people who feel scared to go to police station. They feel that if we go there, anything can happen to us. No, the police station is for your help. Everybody is for your help, you only. So we can tell that also. This is our teacher can go to any level to solve the problem. That totally depends on the dedication of teacher. Solve the problem and they become the super teacher of the student. Yes. Yes. So after that, if there is any boy, he is facing problem in the school, that there is a teacher who did not give him a time, or parents problem, brother problem, or the same teasing problem, annoying, or he's not able to concentrate in study. That's why he's getting less marks in this exam, something like that. So teacher can discuss that. If there is a problem which can be discussed front of the class, or the common topics are there, just think if there are 20 letters in a month, and out of 20 letters there are 15 letters which are on the same problem. So we will not talk about, or 10 letters are there which are on the same problem, so we will not tell the name or share the name of the student. We will solve the problem and we will tell the solution of that. Even the solution is not completed, if then we can talk personally also to each student who is facing the problem. So this is how this idea is implemented. I believe that this idea must have touched your heart and you are going to implement that. Because if we solve one student's problem in their life, they can be something better and bigger in their life. The student can become APJ Abdul Kalam or any other great personality of the future. Okay, because problems takes us back. We know that there are students, when they face problems, sometimes they leave their education, they leave in the middle of their school, because they did not find the solution of their problem. If we are able, if we are the medium that we can solve their problems by a very small innovative idea with a strong power letter to God, this will be the amazing, and they are never ever going to forget their education, the teacher, the school, and the people who have helped him. And one day he is going to become something, a good man, which is needed for society today. Okay, let's talk about our last innovative idea, which is connected to all the innovative ideas, or the last most importantly. So the last innovative idea is help books for the girls. As I shared with you, there are some problems who face problems when they're in school. So let me share with you the name of the teacher who has done in the school. And the name of the teacher is Onika Mehrotra. She is from Delhi and Kalka Public School. She is the teacher who has invented this innovative idea. And what is the story behind it? So there was one girl in the school of the teacher, and teacher saw that this girl is very tensed from last few days. So after that, teacher thought like, what is the problem? Teacher tried to ask her. So, but the girl was not able to share that, because her words were becoming heavy when she was sharing. So she started crying when she was telling. So she could not complete the talk whenever teacher asked her. Teacher thought, what I can do for the student. And then when teacher asked her to write a letter, that you write one letter and you give it to me, I'll read it, and that will be between us only. No third person will be able to read it and know about this problem. And after that, the girl shared the problem of that there are some people who are teasing her every day, and who are not allowing her to come to the school. When she comes on the road, there are people who sometimes like touches her bag, and sometimes the body even. So that was a major problem for the teacher. And teacher thought like, now I need to do something for my girls of the school. And they innovated this idea, help books for the girls. And how this help box is going to help all the girls, let's understand it. So letter to God box was there of a different teacher, and that was for everyone. But this help box for the girls is for girls. For the major problems, they can share anything. So let's understand it, this innovative idea. So what happens in this innovative idea? So the teacher asked that girl, that then when teacher came to know all the problem of that girl, then teacher thought like, now I'm going to solve all the problems of all the girls in my school, not only girl, the society girls. And the teacher will be the public figure for everyone. Anybody can come to the teacher and ask any problem. So again, I want to repeat, if you are doing something in your school, like this or something different, so you can share with us today. I'll give you the chance to speak and share your innovative idea to the country. So let's talk about it. So teacher asked all the girls to come to the school, one different class where only girls will be there. And when once all the girls were there, teacher asked their problems, that what problems are there which you are facing. It can be a periods problem sometime, which there are people who do not basically focus on those problems. And that basically that is not a problem, I will say that is a natural process. So there are people who do not try to understand that natural process, and they give this name disease to that situation. So how teacher can help, how the girl can face the life in that situation, how can she be so very strong that she does not feel demotivated when people are teasing her at that time. So teacher asked all the girls to come in the classroom, and teacher made one box for all the girls, and in each class there was a different box, and teacher asked to color all the box in each class different color. And teacher motivated all the girls that if you are facing any problem in your life, please share with me. Or if you cannot share with me, this box is a your box, completely your. You can write anything in that, whatever is the problem, big, small, major problem, anything which you feel. Or if you are thinking, or if you're getting that your friend is facing this problem, you can write that problem also in this box. It is not necessary that only that girl will write her problem only, any problem which a girl can face or facing. Because teachers main motive is to solve the problem, make the life comfortable for all the girls in the society or in the school. So this was the main motive of the teacher. After that, teacher kept boxes in the school, and teacher gave one task to every girl, that at least one letter in a month should be there. So because there are people who feel very like they feel hesitate to sometimes keep the letter, write the letter, and let put that letter in that box. Teacher asked to all to keep that letter in the box. And teacher started getting some letters. Teacher opened the letters, which were the common problems. Teacher shared with everybody the problem they shared. And when any problem was there which was private problem, I will say, or the problem which the girl cannot share with front of everyone, so that teacher discussed personally with that girl. Or if the problem was not solved till that level, so teacher started talking to the parents also, that this is the problem this girl is facing, and this is the solution of that, please try to do it. And teacher started taking update on that level. This is how teacher did that. And teacher saw some very good innovative teacher saw very good benefits in the school. And after that, the teacher became the most favorable teacher of all the girls in the school, and the parents also. Because the girl who was facing problem, one teacher came and she solved her all the problems. So she became the superwoman for all the girls in the school. When any girl was there who was facing problem, that girl was going to the same teacher all the time, that ma'am, this is my problem. And this time no hesitation was there. Girls were feeling free to share the problems with the teacher. And this is how all the problems were being solved, and still all the problems are being solved by that same teacher. So I believe you do this innovative idea in your school, and you solve all the problems of the girls in the school. So one more situation I want to share, which the teacher shared with us. Sometimes what happens in the school, there are girls in the school, they seem to be good, and we feel that our girls in the school, they are not facing any problem in our school. But this is not the truth. We know the society, there are so many girls who are facing problem, but they show or they try to show themselves normal. At that time, if we do not motivate them, they are never gonna share their problem with us. So teacher did this work also, teacher motivated them. So the girl shared her problem finally, and finally there was a solution also. So these were the innovative ideas which we have shared with you today, and I believe you are going to share these innovative ideas. And if you have joined our session in the middle, so you can watch our full session on Facebook also. Again, one more information I want to share with you, that the same session in Hindi you can watch 11 to 12 every morning in the every morning with the session is taken by Dhirendra sir. So he takes the session, and the moral value session, you can say you can take that session 10 to 11 in the morning, which is taken by respected Ashok sir. Okay, everyone. Now this is your turn to speak something and share your experience of the life, your innovative idea which you are doing, so the whole country can listen to you. Right now we are live on Facebook. Okay, everyone. Now it's your turn. Please open your mic and then start sharing your idea. I'm here to share. And if you have any confusion related to these innovative ideas which I have shared with you, you can share there also. And I will read your all the comments on Facebook also. Okay, till then you can think about your question and I must read the questions or the comments which we are getting on Facebook. So there are some teachers who are saying very good. Thank you, sir. All the ideas are given by teachers only. If you have your any innovative idea and you want to share with us, you can share with us on isf.ziei.com. So this is our website where you can share your innovative ideas with us. So these are the innovative ideas. These are the comments. Sorry, that are very nice, sir. Thank you, sir. So welcome, ma'am. And the ideas are given by you only, and the teachers like you only. So we thank you them all the time to share these innovative ideas with us. So I believe the ideas which I have shared and all, no, there's no confusion. So let's meet tomorrow, everyone, at 2 p.m. with the different case study and with some innovative ideas. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye.